like a 55. Okay, Chronology, $5. Thank you. $5. Break number 12. Anaheim, Beef, AZ, Joey, Boston, JJ, Buffalo, Ram, Calgary, Cell, Carolina, JTAC, Chicago, Viking. No way, Viking Pat. Avalanche, Blaze. You know what Blaze is doing. We got Cell, CBJ, Dow, JJ, Detroit, Dennis, Edmonton. Oh, top off. And we we got Florida going to Shannon, B-Bobo, Bannon. We got the Kings going to the Haas, Minnie going to Will, The Thrill, Canadians, Brain Damage, Nash, Scotty, Devs, Dennis, Isles, Rybone, Range, Marino, Bambino, Ottawa, Tibbs, Fly, L, Pitt, Kostler, Sharks, London, Blues, Dennis, TBJ, Toronto, Tarzan, Canucks, Cell, Vegas going to Ryan, Capitales going to Scotty, and Winnipeg going to Dennis the Menace. All right, let me get a few of those in-betweeners. Good call on the 55ers. Almost forgot about those. All right, little chrono action. Good luck, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Peggy, text me later. Or whenever. Or whenever. Alright, guys. Good luck. Let's make it happen, Captain. Boy, it's a thin box. Which might be good. Victor Hedman, TB. Good luck, everybody. 222. Good old Victor. We've got a redemp. We have a redemp. It is a Chronology franchise history auto. Quinny Hughes for the Canucks. Let's go, Quinny. Hey, yo, Quinny, get over here. And we got Craig Anderson, Ottawa. And we got Josh Bailey, NYI. NYI. Bailey and the Jets. We have a sachet. We have a fat tay sachet. We got a base, Brad Marchand, 222. a Letterman. Nice. Nice Letterman. Patch auto. Number to 15, Mike Gartner for the Caps. That is sick. I believe that's Scotty, if I'm not mistaken. I can't see that far, but I think it's Scotty. I think it might be Scotty Too Hottie. And we got a autographed Sergei Samsonov, Ilya's son. Dad. Ilya's pops. And we got a Letterman plain, number to 35, Ollie for the Oats. Little Ollie action. We got a base, 222, Jack Hughes. Jack Hughes looking pretty good. And Tampa Bay Lightning autograph, Andrei Vasilevsky. T. Antonio's boy right there. I need different sleeves, guys. These premium sleeves are tough. If you guys ever use the premium ones for Ultra Pro, they're real. They have really no room in them. All right, hang on. I got some here. Here we go. Here's some wider ones. There we go. Tampa Bay, Mikhail Sergachev. What's up with Tampa Bay? Dude, is this a Tampa Bay box? I thought that was 3 for some reason. And we got a rip card. Oh. My bad. A rip card of Connor McDavid. Double J. Double J donating all the Sydneys and Marios to Shannon. You know. And we got Ty Seguin for the Dow. 222. Oh boy. Going out to the LA Kings, Hazy. Bo Bozzy, Kopitar, Letterman auto to 15. Hello, Peggy. With a base card, and it's a jersey number, 11. And we got Brooks Orpik for the Capitals. And we got Claude Giroux time capsule for the fly. There we go, time caps. Oh yeah, this was the in-betweener, the time caps. It'll still work in these. I know. Hey, so does my wife. My wife does too. She wanted the suit variation when I showed her. I was like, you're going to like this, Sydney. Oh, Peggy. We pulled a 2005 rookie Beckett with Sydney on the cover and his autograph last night on the Beckett from 2005, his rookie year. And we got Johnny Tavares. It was just base. It was just base. And a fatty for the Flyers. Border, canvas, fatty patch, or memorabilia. Mark getting Recchi. Recchi, wrecking it up. Timeless memories for the Fly. Nice hit for the Fly. The Giroux not numbered. Time caps not numbered. And we got Ruslan Fedotenko, Tarasenko's uncle, for TB. Oh yeah, Peggy, last night also. Oh, top left. On the back. Top left. Oh. Am I looking in the wrong spot? We hit a Mario Lemieux starting lineup. The starting lineup doll packaged auto of Mario. Time capsule, Patrice Bergeron. Base rip of Bergie as well. I don't know. I don't know how you... I'm not sure how you open them, Mel. I know how to open the Ginters. And where do you cut it? Because you want to keep the card, right, El? I don't want to damage it, bro. The card inside of it. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, but I have no fingernails, Ellie. Like. Sorry, I want to open. I want to see what's in it, bro. I got like no nails, dude. Tip of the blade at the top. Ellie, does this have to be perfect condition, the rip? I'm already trashing it. Typical. See, guys, I'm telling you. I'm not messing with it. I'm not messing with it. I know how to do the Ginters, but I'm not going to do this, dude. Ellie would kill me if I ruin it. Now, I hear you on the tabs. I hear you. Yeah, see? Oh, there it is. Dude. It's right there. Sorry, Ellie, on the door. Usually I watch how the Ginters were pulled. Jack Eichel. 3 of 3. Wow, that's sick. Sorry on the, if I would have known there was a little strip there, dude, I didn't understand. Sorry, L. Three of 3 on the Eichel. That's sick, dude. That is filthy. Yeah, darn it. Everybody's telling me to do it in one place, the next place, and the next place. I'll ripping this open. I hit it right there, and I was trying to get it right here, and then the knife went like that. No, we pulled the Eichel. It's got a card inside of it. It's called a rip card. And this is 3 out of 3.
I was just checking to see if you're awake.